Kwa wana Kenya Police. Naomba radhi kidogo, naomba tuelekee hadi kule katika kituo cha polisi cha pale Central hapa jijini Nairobi, ambako Inspekta Generali wa polisi Kanja bwana anazungumzia kuhusiana na hasa mauaji ama kifo cha Albert Ojwang ambaye aliweza kufariki siku ya Jumamosi katika hali tatanishi ya kituo hicho cha polisi cha Central. Tusikize.
And we are also accompanied by the chair of IPOA, Independent Police Oversight Authority, because they are the ones undertaking the investigations as mandated by the law. So I have a brief chronology of events that led to the death of Albert Ojwang. On Friday, 6th June 2025, Albert Ojwang was arrested in Homa Bay County by DCI detectives for the offense of false publication. Records indicate that he was transported to Nairobi, where he was questioned by officers from the DCI headquarters on Saturday. He was later booked at the Central Police Station at the occurrence book number 136/7/6/2025 at 21:35 hours. During a routine cell inspection, Ojwang was found unconscious. He was immediately rushed to Bagathi Hospital for treatment, as documented at the occurrence book number 9/08/06 of 2025 at 01:39 hours. Upon arrival, he was declared dead. Given the circumstances surrounding the incident, it was necessary to investigate the death in accordance with regulations governing death in police custody, and in line with the statutory requirements, the Independent Policing Oversight Authority, IPOA, was duly notified to commence investigations. Additionally, to ensure a thorough, impartial, and expeditious investigations by the Independent Policing Oversight Authority, I ordered the interdiction of the following officers with immediate effects. Number one is the officer commanding the station, that is the Central Police Station OCS, the duty officer who was on duty during the night in question, the cell sentry on duty at the time, all officers who were on duty at the report office that night, and any other officer found to have been on duty or otherwise involved during the incident. The National Police Service remains committed to upholding the rule of law, human rights, transparency, and accountability within the service. And we will provide all the necessary support to the independent investigative agencies in order to resolve this case, and we will provide further updates as the investigation progresses. The National Police Service condoles with the family and friends and relatives of the late Albert Ojwang and asks for their patience as we get to the bottom of this matter. Thank you very much. I now invite the chair, IPOA, to say one or two things. Chair, please.
Bismillah. As the IG has said, we were informed about the death of the young man in police custody yesterday. Actually, the IG sent me a copy of the signal. And so from last night, we had already commenced the investigations. We have dispatched our team here. They have come here last night they're still here today. They have visited the scene. Last night I had decided to come and see for myself this place where the death occurred. And I had informed the IG that I was going to come. So then he told me, actually I'm also going there, let's meet there. So I don't have much information to tell you from my power, just to confirm that we have received the information about the death from the IG, and we have commenced our investigations in accordance with the law. And we want to assure, I watched Mr. Ojwang on TV crying. Any parent will feel the same pain when you have lost your son. I want to assure him and members of the public that IPOA will do everything possible to ensure that justice is served for the family and to Kenyans. And we're very happy that the IG has already interdicted all the officers who are in this station at the material time. We also want to warn those who are going to be appointed to act in their places, to cooperate with our investigators and not to interfere with the investigations. I thank you.
Oh, okay, thank you very much, Chair IPOA.
My name is Douglas Kanja from TV. Two questions. One is the status of what really transpired inside the cell. Yesterday we received an update from the OCPD, Mr. Kifo, and he told us that Albert Ojwang was looking for the court. In your position, have you established that? Is that the true position? And the second question is about Magadi, the transport from the police cells to Magadi Hospital and then declared dead. In a hospital where there is a mortuary, that is Magadi Hospital, there is a mortuary. Why didn't the officers or the Magadi Hospital take the Magadi mortuary? And then the parents, that is Ojwang, Mr. Ojwang, saying that aliambiwa hapa kwamba waiting for Magadi. Upon our search, we found the body at City Mortuary. What's the name?
The first question, I think in regard to what you got from the OCPD, my take is that that's why we have IPOA here, so that they can actually be able to establish what really happened. And remember, in my statement, I've indicated that I will be giving updates as and when we get any update that is really necessary. Number two, on the body having been confirmed dead at Magadi Hospital, then ordinarily, because it is a sudden death, then City Mortuary is the place to take, so that investigations can actually be able to continue.
One more question?
My name is
Maybe
Inspekta. I only have two questions. One, about the false publication. About the false publication, do you mind clarifying what exactly it was and what it was against, so that the public can
Say again?
the false publication, what was it exactly and who was it against? Who was the complainant?
Let me put it this way. The reasons as to why the late Ojwang was arrested, together with a few others, is because there was a complaint that had been launched by the DIG KPS about his name being tarnished. So it is on that basis that investigations were actually being carried out, because he also have got a right to be protected by the same law. Thank you. The last one.
You have two DIGs, you have Mr. Inspekta and Mr. Bagaj. Maybe you can tell us that. Maybe who ordered for this arrest? Then again, what does suspending officers mean? Because the suspect was inside. So if you suspend the officer, what does it mean? Are you confirming or telling us what
No, we have not suspended them. We have interdicted to allow for a speedy investigation. to ensure that there is no interference whatsoever with these investigations. That is basically the reason why we have interdicted them, and it is provided for in the regulations. Yes. So what is going to happen once they are interdicted? We allow the investigation to continue, and then at the end of the day, we are going to get a way forward from IPOA. If any one of them is found to have committed an offense, then so be it. The law will deal with them. Yes, thank you very much. Thank you. That's okay. That's okay.
Shaka ni yule Inspekta Jenerali wa polisi Douglas Kanja akiweza kuzungumzia kifo tatanishi cha mwanablogu ambaye ni Albert Ojwang ambaye alifariki akiwa hasa pale katika kituo cha polisi cha Central. Pia waliozungumza pale ni mwenyekiti wa IPOA Ahmed Isaac Hassan, wakiweza kuzungumzia jinsi hasa tendo hilo liliweza kutendeka na sawia pia uchunguzi ambao unazidi hasa kuandaliwa humu nchini. Lakini kubwa Kanja ameweza kuzungumzia wale maafisa ambao walikuwa hasa zamu siku hiyo wameweza kusimamishwa kazi wakiongozwa na afisa mkuu wa kituo hicho cha polisi cha Central hapa jijini Nairobi. Ni taarifa ambayo tutakuwa tunafuatizia na wanahabari wetu watakuwa na kujuza katika taarifa zetu zijazo.